By creating in-demand courses using the tool that I showed you, you're looking at around $5,000 per month in profit. How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to share with you a way I recently discovered to make passive income. It's something that is completely free and so simple that you only have to set it up once. And within this video, I'll be showing you how to do it. So let's get started. This method is combining ChatGPT and Udemy. If you don't know what Udemy is, it's essentially an online learning and teaching platform about various topics. It allows anyone to create and sell their own courses. And recently, this area of online learning has seen a lot of growth, partly because of COVID-19. The industry is expected to grow from $166 billion in 2023 to $238 billion in 2027, which is tremendous growth. And right now is the best time to capitalize on this growth. There's many platforms that are similar to Udemy and are really popular, like Skillshare and Coursera, although Udemy is by far the largest of the three, which is why we'll be focusing on it in this tutorial. Here's an overview of the method. First, we start by generating the topics, using tools that I'll show you to find trending ideas and how to make a catchy title. Then, I'll show you how to generate the content and outline for the course using ChatGPT. And once we're able to do this, I'll show you how to create the visuals of the course using a nice tool called Canva. And finally, we'll be uploading a course to Udemy, which is where our profit rolls in. At the end of the video, I'll also show you guys some tips and tricks to optimize your process and to get more sales. So first, let's dive in to find in-demand topics and ideas. We'll be using this completely free AI tool to find the most popular ideas. So, you're going to search Free Keyword Research Tool, RIROP, and then you'll find this page. Since we are interested in making Udemy courses, we're going to type in Udemy. Then we're going to add our topic. So, if we want to make courses about Microsoft products, such as Excel, then we're going to add Microsoft to the end and press go. You can see on the right hand side for Excel, there's 60,000 searches per month, and the difficulty is medium. Since there's a lot of searches and the competition is at medium, we know that this is probably a good idea to make courses about. As we can see, there's a high demand for Excel, so I'll pick it to use as an example. Now if we go into the Ideas tab, add Excel to our search, and it'll give us potential ideas to use for a course title. And once you pick out a title that you like the most, we're going to head over to ChatGPT and ask it to create an outline for our course. So type in create a course outline for, and then type in your title. Now we can see the outline for the course we're going to make. And we're going to make a video for each title in our outline. So once it is done generating, we're going to choose one of these titles from our outline and ask ChatGPT to create a script for this video. Now once we have ChatGPT generate our script, we're going to head over to Canva to create the visuals. Now once we're in Canva, we're going to search for the template under Talking Presentation. For right now, I'm just going to choose a blank template. Once we have our blank template, we want to make it so we have visuals that give us a professional office feel. So we'll just type that into the search bar on the left. Now you can change the title and text, or add and delete more slides to fit the script that we had ChatGPT generate. In the top right, press the button, Present and Record. And that will allow us to present our script and create the video for our course. Now once we've made all the videos for our course, we can sign into Udemy or sign up if you haven't already. After you signed in, you're going to want to press the button in the top right that says Teach on Udemy. It's going to lead you to this page. We want to press Get Started, then answer the questions that it asks you. Once you're done, you want to click Create a new course, and then upload your course videos on here. Once you create your course, you have the problem of needing people to find it and pay for it. But here's a solution. We can use a site called Quora for free advertising in order to get people to use our course. So, on Quora, we're going to look for questions that are related to our course topic, and then copy and paste it into ChatGPT. You're then going to take the answer and post it on Quora, answering the question, while also putting your link at the very end. In the future, I'll make a video diving into how to do this, so subscribe if you want to see that video in the future. Udemy will also try to advertise your course, since they will be taking a part of your profits for serving as an intermediary platform. And once you have done this, it is completely passive from here on out. And if you continue to do this with more courses and make the courses good quality, the profit you are making could reach around $5,000 per month. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.